So we're currently in a Baniyas Square. I believe you can get all replica stuff here. People call it fake, but you know, because we're being approached by all sorts of people, like if you want to buy fake watches, fake bags, fake everything. Like a warehousing.
Yeah, this is for hardware.
To the street where we're hustled, we're juggled and everything. So let's see what they come up with this time. Wow. This is where the traders comes. You want some ice cream? Wow. Anything you're looking for. Come on, Abra. You want to clean white teeth? You know, as soon as I put a camera on, everybody's walk back because they don't want to be on camera. So I think that's what I need to do, you know? Just leave the camera on. Charlie, what is?
Just to see it.
I don't want anything, sorry.
It's not compulsory for you to buy.
I don't want to buy.
I know, but just see what you have.
I don't want to buy. I'm just walking around.
You
Yeah.
can also see for free. I'm not saying to buy it.
I'm not buying.
I'm not. See, what buy is not added to what I'm telling you. I said you should see for free.
I'm not buying.
I said it's not bad. But I just want you to see exactly what you asked me.
No, I know, but
It's part of what you are doing, bro.
yeah, but I don't want to. I don't want to buy.
Bro, we have a lot of branded items. Nice ones.
Nice Cassius.
Branded Casio, sister.
Hey, you want me to see my item, Abby?
Just see what we get, bro. I'm not saying it just see, say this is there.
Anything you want here, you'll get it here, guys. What a nice shop. Look at this. Look at this shoe. Beautiful. I know. Look at this, man. Very nice. Yeah. This place is pretty cool. You can get fabrics, you can get clothes. There's amazing things that you can get here. I feel like we're in India. I feel like we're in India.
Are we going this way?
Yeah.
Are we going to the bottom?
Let's go this way. Yeah. Grand Souq where?
This way.
This way?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, you're right.
Souq's that way. Grand Souq.
That's where we're heading to. Oh my god. What a unique experience. How are you? Very good? That means we are getting closer to the Grand Souq, yeah?
Yeah.
There's a food here, there's a restaurant.
Turkish.
Wow. Look at that one. Souk Deira. Now we're walking out to the Grand Souq. It's just interesting to walk around all these amazing streets. Like, I've never seen anything like this, guys. It's just so amazing. Now we're in the Utensils Souk.
No, not with, this is a different one.
Which one is this?
Utensils Souq was next door.
Okay. This is a mattress souk. Mattress souk, that's where we are right now.
Mattress Souk in my shop here.
I can see your shop behind you. Wow, look.
So this is all touristy, right? But imagine in the olden days, people were actually selling like proper stuff as well.
Yeah. That's a very nice bag, yeah.
G'day, mate. Alright.
Yeah, how
Would you
you
like
doing?
some spices, please?
No.
I think she's spicy enough.
Hello, excuse me. Hallelujah.
Wow.
Hello.
Hello.
Nice camera.
Thank you. Wow.
Oh wow.
Yeah, this is what we need for the frying.
Yeah, in Ghana.
Wow. Grand Souq, utensil souk. This is where they cook all the big things from. Now we are in the Grand Souq. Grand Spicy. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you.
How are you?
I'm very good. How are you?
What's up, man?
I'm very, very good. How are you? Don't let them. Don't let them. I'm very good, and you? No, no, not today. All right, so we out.
It's exhausting.
So we are winner.
Fried rice, butter chicken. Oh, where are we now?
No, I have no idea where we are.
Handbag, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, water shoes, sunglasses, t-shirt, shoes.
Wow, you have everything.
Oh wow, look where we are.
Oh my God.
Oh,
That's the
it's
station, right?
Dusky, dusky.
That's the station, right?
What station?
Where you get the Deira, Abra. Is that right?
Don't know, let's go. No, I don't think it is. Is it?
Yeah. You get the Abra from there. Wow, look. Look at the boat.
Thank you.
All right, so we're just crossing the road. We're going to Deira station. We're going to get is it Abra? It's Abra, right? Yeah. It's not Abra, it's Abra. It's cost one dirham. It's just down the road. I'm going to flip the camera so I can see all the boats delivering the goods to the souk. Is it this one?
This one's not going to say.
Oh, is this one, babe? I need to pull my hat. Is it full? It's how much? How much? How much?
All right. Okay, go. Go to other side, please.
Yeah. No. All right, so guys, we just about to take the Abra ride. It costs one dirham. So we're going to the Bed Dubai, which is down there. We're going all the way down there. So guys, I hope you enjoy this amazing ride. Wow, that's the first one going there. Yeah. Hey, we're going. All right, off we go, guys. Wow. Oh, wow. Where are we going? Huh? Oh, we actually faced it. Wow, you actually on there. See where we're going. Wow.
Got to pay in a minute, you know that, yeah?
You have to hold my hat. Can you? Two. You just pay for two.
You got it?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah. Yeah. Everybody's on their phone. There's the driver there. That's where we're going. Make sure you like the video and subscribe. You have to be the first one, you know that, yeah? Wow.
That's going to happen, I'm very confident.
We're just approaching. We are now in Dubai.
Going in here, I've got all bloody walk around. Oh no.
This one is reversing. Oh! Hello. Oh, hello. Alright, sweet to stop it. Yeah, I'm behind you. Thank you. Thank you. Well done. Oh my god, that was a unique experience, guys. That was amazing. Make sure you do Abra when you come to Dubai. It's an amazing experience. That was very, very nice. Now, do you want to have some juice?
No.
To cool yourself down?
I need food.
Wow.
Hello.